children. How are you? Your exam has finished. Essay 1. How was the paper? Good? Okay. Now, children, tell me which chapters, how many chapters we have finished in maths? Can you tell? We have finished chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter 5, multiplication. So get ready, my second standard children, all the students, get ready with your maths book, notebook and pencil box. Okay, now we will start our maths class. So today we will be doing multiplication. What we will start today? Multiplication. You can see here, and you know what is the sign of multiplication? X. Okay. So for multiplication, what you need? What you have to learn? You have to learn the tables. Multiplication tables you have to learn. Then only you can answer quickly, correctly. Okay? So shall we start? You all are ready? Okay. Now see children, read with me, read loudly. First we will do the revision of tables. You also know na? Very good. Now repeat after me. Table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Correct? Now what will be the next table? Table of 3. Shall we start? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Okay. Now next is table of 4 and then we will do table of 5. Now start. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Now table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. So we have finished with our tables. We have done the revision so that we can do the multiplication work nicely. Now see here children, open your notebook and write homework. You have to write the tables from 2 to 5 in your notebook. See, I have written here like this. You will write in each and every page in a neat and clean handwriting. Leave the place. Nicely write tables from 2 to 5. Okay. Written in your notebook? Okay. Now next, see here. One activity is there. After writing the tables, you can do this activity in your notebook. It is very simple. Here I have shown this activity with tables of 4. You can do with any number, 2, 3, 5, anything. Or when you will learn other tables of that. So it is very simple. You can see a flower. One circle is there. Inside there 4 is written and multiplication sign. And the petals, how many petals are there? 10 petals, that is of green color, and the outside one is also of 10 petals, that is also of 10. Okay, 10, 10. So you can see how the numbers are written from 1 to 10 inside the green one, and then outer one, outer side petals 4, 8, 12, like that till 40. So 4 ones are, it is showing 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Like this, you can end up with 4 tens are 40. Okay, you can do now. So do it nicely. Afterward, after we finish our class, then you will write the tables. Then you will do this activity. Understood? Now see children, open your book. There this activity is given. So we will finish first, then we will proceed to the next page. Complete the given series by performing multiplication marked on the maths machine. A number goes from the top, and after performing multiplication, the answer comes out from the tab into the box. This number will go to the next machine to be multiplied. The process will continue till we get the final product in the bowl. Okay, now we will start. Now the first one, see, you can see 2 is written. So 2 twos are, what you will write? 4. Okay, then you have to multiply this 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. Done. Then 8 threes are, like this it is going, 8 threes are 24, and 24 ones are, what you will write? 24. Okay, finished? Okay, now we will go to the next page. Now you can see 5 ones are 5. Then again this 5 twos are, what will come out from the tab? 10. 5 twos are 10. Then 10 fives are 50, and 50 ones are 50. Okay, 50 ones are 50. Now write it down. Finished all of you? Now we will do the next page. Now again look, 3 nines are, yes, what will come 3 nines are? 27. Then 27 ones are, again 27, and 27 zeros, 27 zeros are, we will get 0, and 0 nines are 0. Okay, all are finished? Done? Okay, now listen carefully. Now look here, I will show you something. Now what is multiplication? Okay, now listen to me. When I will again say open your book, then you will do in your book. Multiplication is a repeated addition or when we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called the product. What we call? The answer we get after multiplying, it is called product. Now you can see there with red X is written. So that is the sign of multiplication. It is the sign of multiplication. Now, what picture can you see here, children? Mangoes are there. Separately mangoes are there. Can you count? How many mangoes are there in each box? Yes, count. See, this is the first group. There are 5 mangoes. Then again one group. Again this is one group. One group of 5. This is one group of 5. This one. Again this is one group of 5 and this is one group of 5. So how many groups are there? Can you tell me? There are 3 groups of mangoes. And in each group, how many mangoes are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in each and every group, there are 5 mangoes. So when we will add these 5 and 5, what we are getting? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. Add 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. See, I told you no, multiplication is a repeated addition. So what we have to do? We have to see how many groups are there. Groups and how many things are, how many are there. You have to count in that group. So 3 group of mangoes equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15. In each group there are 5 mangoes. So we write it as 3 5s are, you can see here 3 5s are 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 15, or we can write 3 5s are 15. Understood, children? How to do? 3 group of mangoes and then 5 plus 5 plus 5, we are getting 15. So you can see it is a repeated addition. So 3 5s are, we will multiply group of mangoes, 3 group of mangoes with the number of mangoes in each group. So 3 into 5. Clear? Okay. Now next. What is next? Multiplication facts. Now listen carefully. First, in multiplication, the product of numbers remain the same, even if we change the order. Now see the example. 4 3s are equal to, again 3 4s are equal to 12. 4 3s are, you know, it is 12, and when you say the tables of 3 4s are, it is also 12. So if you change the order, the product, we say the product in multiplication, it will be the same. Okay. Can you tell me one more example? 2 4s are 8 and then equal to 4 2s are 8. Okay. If you change the order, you will get the same answer only. Now number 2. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. See here example, 7 1s are 7. When you are multiplying this with the number itself with 1, you are getting the same number 7. If you do 8 1s are, you will get 8. Number 3, the product of any number and 0 is always 0. 0 4s are 0 or 4 zeros are 0. Okay. Now what we have to do here? Now see, fill in the boxes to complete the multiplication facts. Now classwork, take out this page from your book. Now see what it is written there. 4 sevens are equal to, then empty box is there, multiplied by 4, again equal to, and box is there. So 4 sevens are, just now we did in multiplication fact. So what you will write here, 4 sevens are, it is written here, you have to write 7 fours are 28. Got it? Just you have to change the order, change. Okay. Now B, see, blank space, multiplied by 6 equal to 6 threes are. So what you will write here? 3 6 are, then 6 threes are 18. Start writing. Now C, number C, 5 multiplied by, and look at the other side, 8 fives are. So you have to write here 8, and what is 5 eights are or 8 fives are? 40. Now D, 2 nines are equal to 9 twos are 18. Done? Now E, what you will write in this blank space? Multiplied by 10 equal to 10 threes are, we have to write here 3. 3 tens are equal to 10 threes are what? How much? 30. Now F, look what number you have to write here. Can you write? 6 fours are, yes, and here 4 6 are 24. Now come to G. Multiplied by 0 equal to 0, multiplied by 2 equal to, so you have to write here 2 zeros are, and 0 twos are 0. Okay. Now 9 ones are equal to 1. Here you will write 9. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. Okay. Now look here. Copy down. If you have not finished, just copy it. I will wait for some minute. Few minutes I am giving you. Check you have done correct or not. Okay. Now see here. Done? All have finished this? Okay. Shall we go to the next page? Ready? Yes. Now this next page. 3 multiplied by, what you have to write? We have done, no? You know what you will write? 3 fives are, and 5 threes are 15. Now this one, 2 nines are, and here you will write 9 twos are 18. Now number C, 7 blank box multiplied by 7, and then other side 4. So 4 sevens are equal to 7 fours are 28. Then 5, what you will write here? 8s are, and 8 fives are 40. Now the next one, 4 threes are, and 3 fours are 12. Then again here blank box multiplied by 6 equal to, again here you can see 10 6 are, and 6 tens are 60. Now question G, here you will write 3 nines are, and 9 threes are 27. Now H, what you have to write here? 1 fives are, and 5 ones are. You will get 5. Now the next question. 2 multiplied by 7 equal to, again 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 4 multiplied by 10, and again 10 4s are 40. Okay, done. I will show you again the correct answer. See here, the correct answer is written. Note it down. Finished? Okay, children. Thank you. So do your homework and that activity and write the tables nicely and learn the tables also. Bye, children.